Hello, welcome to another episode of Joe Rush Vlogs 2, the sequel. And in this episode, I will be showing you how to fix your phone if it's completely black like this. First of all, have you tried turning it on? And if that doesn't work, try charging it. And if that doesn't work, all you have to do to fix a phone that is completely black like this one, which will not turn on, is if you like the video and subscribe, and then you hold down this. As you can see, the Apple logo is coming back to my phone. It will take a little bit of time. And this was going to fix your phone if it is completely bricked and black. And as you can see, all you have to do is that, and then you fix your old broken phone. And there you go, your phone is fixed and it is as good as new. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. And if this helped you out, comment down below that it helped you out. And share this video everywhere and get me to 1,000 minutes of watch time and like 100 million views so I can start monetizing my videos so I can make money, because that's the only reason why I'm doing this, is to make money. And I don't care about my viewers and stuff. And I'm going to give 50% to someone who just liked them ice cream.